wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up, selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back in the music club with another banger, you know, people. You don't know where I deal with today. Yeah, man, guys. Yo, that mafia. You see what I go on the screen already, you know, man. You see me? Remember, I said we say anytime the boy drop, you know, dog, we go watch a video, you know, and see what dog deal. We not drop a ball, you know. I don't know who we are talking about already, you know. Dog don't. Yeah, see what we say. When I say Mr. Big Seven himself, you see me, I say Mr. Shayo himself, you know what I'm saying, one of the biggest Afrobeat star right now. We're talking about Burna boy, you see me, I said I drop a new track like a couple hours ago, about 3 hours ago, entitled Cheat on Me. You see me featuring Dave. I remember when I watched the Taliban's video, the remix with them all with Byron Messi and Dave. I believe who was else in it? Thing they're from Blood Clot, Texas, and I was like, yo, I wonder if they're gonna do a collab and drop a video. And see it, yeah, look like I was right, bro. I'm on the ball, bro. You see me? I'm on the money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So Burna boy and Dave link up, and I don't know, Dave a big artist at UK. You see me? Yeah, man. Big artist. You see me? I say so. I'm rate Dave style. Reacted to Starlight and also the feature he did with Central C the other day entitled Sprinter. Yeah, see me, it's our last track we reacted from Dave. He hasn't dropped most videos. I was actually on his page like a couple days ago. I'm like, yo, the long time Dave not dropping a tune. How I go on? But see, look like the dog's been working on some. Maybe he's working on a project, so he's been laying low and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, but check it out and see where the dog them deal with today. Yeah, see me, so you don't know. Yo, if you're returning a viewer, you don't know the code already. That Mafia family, you already know the code already where we are deal with over here. So you see me, so just do the right thing. And if you're new to the channel and you don't know what's going on over here, so make that Mafia family tell your money. You know what I'm saying? Over here, so we live by a code. From here, watch a video, you like a video. You see me, and from here, new, you subscribe. So just live by the code. You know what I'm saying? The code. From your watch a video, like a video, and from your new, you subscribe. So that's the code we live by over here. So just do the right thing. Live by the code, you know what I'm saying? Because code is life, you see me? I say, so let's do the right thing right there, so long, you know what I'm saying? And subscribe and like the video, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, that is it. We're gonna jump right now. Video, we're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Once we dog them and deal with, man, because two bad artists, them, man, you know what I'm saying? Dave and Burna boy, yeah, man, late, man. Yeah, man, we jump right now, chat. Burna boy, Cheat on Me featuring Dave, let's get it.
See, I was cheating on me.
Yeah, man. I feel the beat.
Me, I just want me, my people, they visa. So I give them my heart and my liver.
Okay, I'm feeling this one. Come on, yeah, man.
If it too stress you, make you leave her. No be everybody be believer. Anytime that I pull up, I deliver. Anytime, any arena, I be caught on like Jesus. Before you start to criticize, consider,
Man say anyone me pull up, I deliver. You see me? Any arena, it no matter. And they're like, Jesus, my deliver like Jesus. He's the Burna boy, go on.
I was cheating on me. I couldn't see. I was cheating on
me. I just want to see my people them getting peak out. I swear down.
I ain't gonna lie, that line crazy, man. Say I didn't see that I was cheating on me. You see me? Hey, man, like I say, in a following dream, and say, yo, this shit crazy. Let's hear something.
My people visa out, no be Taliban, no be Al-Qaeda, and they do nothing tend to permanently leave town. Stand with my feet down, me I be lead down. So me a new lad, different caliber, taking my niggas around the world every day. Kilo me.
I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't feeling that little flare outfit he had on. I can kind of see that. I don't know if it's an African style. Let me know in the comment section, guys. I wasn't feeling that outfit, bro. That shit was the kind of, you know what I'm saying?
Down, just like I'm deep down, then you could see, say your body, no be because of me. Now psychology, say psychology, they affect everybody, not me.
I couldn't see. I was cheating on me. I was cheating on me.
Bro, that hook is crazy. You know what I'm saying? That do anything, and Dave hasn't come in, is it? So I'll go on. What Dave I go come in with? Come in.
For the fact I had to fight for my visa, I'm swiping my visa. Kilo shell, I say kilogram, kilometer. My woman got incredible features. Me and the Burna, we fly to Ibiza.
Man say, for the fact I had to fight for my visa, so I'm swiping my visa. You're killing the ground while I'm killing killer. Yeah, the man, yo, I told you, Dave is bro. Bro, we need to react to more Dave, bro. I fuck with Dave music, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, see me. You ever heard Starlight, bro? Dave is hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get back on my UK shit. So my UK gang, turn me up. Let me know what's up, bro. I want me to react to next. Come on.
You know deny me my visa. Bring a little girl, a little reefer. It's cheaper to keep her. She don't wanna stay, I feel leave her. No be everybody be believer. Hennessy, Casamigos, it's all in a car. I'm Asamoah Jan the way I hit the bar. Fine boy, no pimple, no tats. I got a V12 under the bonnet. She got plaits. I'm mad.
I'm tell you, say, yo, Dave hard with the lyrics, bro. Yeah, you don't be sleep on your boy, bro. Dave hard, bro. Come on, Dave. Come
Rio, my princess got a peach on my Rolls Royce seats. Her and peach and the villa must I come with a beach. One for the street, 4-5. This toast doesn't come with a speech, you know.
I was cheating on you.
Man said 4-5. This toast don't come with a speech. You hear that? Yeah, you hear that? 4-5, this toast don't come with a speech, bro. Come on, think about it. Go over
I was cheating on
Me, I just want me my people the visa. So I give them my heart and my liver. If you too stress, you make you leave her. No be everybody be believer. Anytime that I pull up, I delete.
Anytime I pull up, I deliver. I want to hear my man say, yo, yeah, pull up anytime. You see, deliver, energy to show. Sell off, turn over. I want to hear, man. Man say, yo, where I live life that we fight for this hour day, you know. When they know something not cheap by myself, when they put me all in, so I'm putting me all in, and I say, yo, jeez, I'm peace, because I a long time type shit. Come in.
Anytime, any arena, I be caught on like Jesus. Before you start to criticize, consider, If I ever said I love you, then I'll always be by your side. If you call on me, then I'll slide.
Come on, no man, talk to them, no Burna boy, man. Yo, this flow, yo, Burna got so many flows, bro. It's crazy, bro. Come on.
You already know we outside, and I know you gon' ride. Anytime I talk on you, if I ever said I love you,
sell out, sure. Easy enough. Yo, big up Dave, big up Burna boy, bro. It's a banger. You know what I'm saying? Man, them collab, they go well together, bro. It's a big collab, bro. They slid. Come on.
I was cheating on me. I was cheating on you.
Me, I just want to see my people that getting big out.
The beat them is a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Make you wanna just groove, and even though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, come on, man.
I swear down, make embassy no deny my people visa out. They do nothing tend to permanently leave town. Me, I be lead out.
I couldn't see that I've changed. And I couldn't. Hey, come on.
I was cheating on me. I was cheating on.
I mean, man, do no thing. Blood cleat. I mean, Burna boy.
Simply
Yeah. Blood cleat. Yeah, cheating on me. Yeah, man, guys, don't cheat on yourself, man. You see me go and get what y'all want here. I'll live life, follow the dreams. You see me achieve how long desire. You see me go do no thing, man. You see me? Don't hold back, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't wake up one day and regret. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, make every day count. But guys, let me know anything about that one day. Yeah, man, you know what y'all think about the collab between Burna and Dave. You know what I'm saying? I think it was a dope collab. I kind of saw it coming from. I saw Taliban's video, the remix. You see me with Byron Messiah. What the cuz from, I can't remember cuz name from Texas, and some other artists. They was all on the stairs and shit. In the video, I was like, yo, I wonder if they all out there working and shit. Look like they wasn't, you know what I'm saying? This is a banger, bro. I like this one. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section, and let me know what y'all favorite part was. You know, the beat, lyrics, melody, whatever it was, the video. You know what I'm saying? And definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco and cinema. You know say yo, that mafia family's lit over here, man. You know what I'm saying? Come and take over YouTube and the music reaction game, bro. You see me in the reaction period. You know what I'm saying? Some other little videos gonna be here and there, but we don't focus on music over here, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get back on my UK shit, bro. You see me? Dave just remind me, dog. You know what I'm saying? Get back on my UK shit reaction. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Cause bro, I do like UK music. UK music is lit, bro. I got a couple of Dave, Central C. I did listen to Skepta and also who else was I listening? Abacadabra. You know, I'm gonna get back on my UK shit. So let me know what you react to, my UK family. Let me know what you react to, who's popping right now, and I'm gonna get back on my shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. You don't know what time it is. That mafia. It's a boy Jambisco. I was back in. Hey, I was back in the music lab with a banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.